Lex was born and brought up in the United States and raised along with her family members, relatives, and friends. She'd done her schooling at a local high school in her hometown. Then she admitted herself to a university and received a bachelor's degree in arts. As Lex was fond of modeling and fashion ever since childhood, she shows us her career in the same field.
Watch the video to the end, I will be very grateful to you.
She is about 5 feet 6 inches tall in height. Her weight is 78 in kilograms. Her hairs are dark brown in color. Her eyes' color are brown. She has built a curvy physique. Lex hasn't disclosed anything related to her income. As per research on the internet, it comes out that Lex's net worth is approximate $900,000 in 2022.